Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today we're making sweet and spicy baked chicken thighs. This recipe is really good and the easiest to put together. Let's get started. Alright you guys, so for this recipe, I'm using 5 bone-in skinless chicken thighs. You can use boneless, skinless thighs if you want. I'm using a paper towel to pat my chicken dry. I have about 2 pounds of chicken. Once patted dry, go ahead and set it to the side. Then we're going to put together a delicious sweet and spicy dry rub for the chicken. In this bowl, I have a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Into that, I am adding 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. You can use more of these 2 ingredients to make it more spicy if you want. Last, I'm adding salt and pepper to taste. I'm using 1 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm mixing everything together very well. Then I'm going to season both sides of my chicken with the dry rub. If you have time, you can let the chicken marinate for a few hours to soak in the rub and get more flavorful. I've gone ahead and heated up my cast iron pan over medium heat. I am tossing in 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to let the butter melt, then cook it for about 2 minutes until it browns up. Browning the butter will add a nutty aroma to the chicken and make it extra flavorful. Next, I'm going to toss in all 5 of my seasoned chicken thighs. Once the chicken thighs hit the pan, don't move them. Allow them to sear for 5 to 7 minutes. Once they're done searing, it should be very easy for you to turn them over. If your chicken is sticking to the pan, it means they need more time to sear, so give them a minute more. We're looking for this beautiful golden brown color. This will give the chicken so much flavor. Once you turn your chicken over, you're going to place the pan into a 400 Fahrenheit preheated oven. Then finish cooking the chicken for 30 to 35 minutes. And this is what they look like when they're done. The sweet and spicy rub has caramelized and it's very sticky on the chicken. Make sure you check your chicken for an internal temperature of at least 165 Fahrenheit because that's the safest temperature for cooked chicken. If your chicken hasn't reached that temperature, be sure to cook them a little longer, okay guys? You're going to have some sweet and spicy sauce on the bottom of your pan. You can serve that all over your chicken. And I've noticed that when I make this recipe in my cast iron pan, the sauce turns a dark brown color. But when I make it in my non-cast iron pan, I get a rich golden brown color. It's delicious either ways, but I just thought to mention that to you guys. I served this with corn on the cob and roasted potatoes, but you can also serve this with rice. It will be very delicious. The chicken came out very juicy and really flavorful. If you guys would like to make this, check the description box. I have all the ingredients and measurements there. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!